Greetings SQL enthusiasts. Today, we are exploring the world of aggregate functions. These powerful tools allow you to perform calculations on sets of data, unveiling valuable insights. Let's dive into the details. Aggregate functions are like the mathematical wizards of SQL. They perform operations on a set of values to give you a single result. Here are some of the most common ones we'll be covering today. Count, sum, average, max, min. Let's look into these one by one. First is count. This is your go-to function for tallying records. It's incredibly versatile and can be used in various scenarios. The basic count function works like this. We start with select then count function with asterisk within parentheses then from and the table name. In result we can see there are 9 records in the table. Our second function is sum. Sum is like a digital calculator for your database. It's used to find the total of a specific column. Here we will check total amount that is paid as salary. So, the code starts with select then the function sum, and within the parentheses we need to mention the field on which we want to calculate the total. Here in this case it's salary then from and the table name. Now, let's run the query and see the result. Next one is average function. Average is your friend when you want to find the average value of a column. It's especially useful for metrics and analysis. Now we want to check the average salary. The syntax is similar as the other two functions that we saw, just replace the sum keyword with average keyword. Let's run the query and check the result. Now it's time for extreme values, that is the highest and the lowest. Max and min help you find the highest and lowest values in a column respectively. Let's find the highest salary. So, use the max function. The syntax is again the same. Starts with select then max function, and within the parentheses we need to mention the field. The query ends with from table. Run the query and find the highest salary. Now, let's find the lowest salary. So, use the min function. The syntax is again the same, just replace the max keyword with min. Execute the query and find the lowest salary. Now let's combine multiple aggregate functions together and see. Yes, you can also combine these functions to gain more comprehensive insights from your data. Let's run the query and see the result. You can also use a condition using where clause and find these insights for a particular category of records. Let's add where clause to the query. Execute it and see the result. Congratulations! You've unlocked the full potential of aggregate functions in SQL. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more SQL insights. Thank you for joining us in this SQL journey. Stay tuned for more tutorials and keep expanding your SQL skills. Happy querying!